Well, this is my homemade chronograph. It's to measure the speed of the paintballs in feet per second. It's made with this side we have a phototransistor, and this other side we have an infrared LED. This is a PVC tube, 3/4 of an inch in diameter. And what is happening here is like I have two optical barriers, one here and the other one in this side. And when the paintball passes through the tube, it cuts first one, and some delay time after that, it cuts the second one. And what I am doing here is that I'm using this Arduino board to measure the time between that two signals, and I am sending like the math to do the math here, and I have here like the serial terminal for the Arduino platform, so I can see exactly all the raw data, and after some math I can have like the feet per second that I am having. And to be sure that it's working, I have here an oscilloscope where I can see the two signals generated by the optical barriers. And what I am going to do now is to pass a ball through the tube, like I'm going to test in full speed after this preliminary test. You can see there's like two signals, so the difference between the two signals in time in the x-axis, I have the milliseconds that is needed for the ball to cross the first light barrier and the second one, and with that the information I can measure the speed of the ball. Okay, for this signal what I am having here is like I don't know if it's possible to see, but it's like a 4 feet per second. It's very slow because it's just like the gravity, but in a moment we are going to show how it works with the Tipman. Okay. What I have here is it says that it was 309 feet per second in that shot. That is like a little bit high. So I'm going to do some test. Cube. That means that you can see there actually there is like the infrared light. It's making the barrier, and exactly in front of is the receptor. This is for one side, and this is for the other one. This is exactly where it was meant to go. That's nice. And finally I add LCD that here says the speed in feet per second. You can use like the serial connection to your computer. You can see the data there, or if you want to have something more portable, it's better to use like a LCD like this one, so you can use your chronograph wherever you are. For example, I'm going to pass this again in a slower speed. It's like 3 now, again in a faster speed. I am not using the gun, I am just letting the ball going down, so it's 4 for example in this case, and I think that's all.